Morning, it's Monday. It's beautiful. It's been pouring pretty much all weekend. A lot of rain.
Yeah.
Many inches of rain, just dumping like crazy. But we needed the water because we were watering like nonstop at that temperature, trying to keep everything alive, and everything is looking great.
Just want to take a moment. There's a chippy over there.
Oh, a ferocious wild beast on the rock. He's dangerous. Don't get too close. But we had a pretty good weekend. The farm stand went really well. Sold most everything, which is always good. I hate having leftovers. And today we have to move the sheep, so we got to pull up our fencing like usual. And we're going to move it up to the upper, well, I'm going to call it the little vineyard up there. The blueberries are just starting to turn, so the birds have been dive bombing in there. So today is putting the lid on the blueberries.
Yep. And then hopefully if we have time, we can get that chicken gate up and they can move in tonight. That would be nice to get done and get the little ones out.
Sorry, the sun's in my eyes and I didn't get a lot of sleep, so I'm kind of like bleary-eyed at the moment, but we're gonna try to knock this stuff out before lunch because I don't know how much energy I have today. Lock this all the way down. We're gonna get the other fence right now and then pull it this direction to make sure it reaches. And then the sheep will be happy to get out here on this fresh grass. They're mostly just gonna eat the grapevines though. That's their favorite. Just gotta cut these points off that I left hanging up because I was lazy last year. And then we can put the net over the top. Oh, it's a freaking horsefly biting me. Be the wrong size hole. We gotta drill this out to 3/4 to fit that. It's only a 1/2 inch. But maybe we'll bring it up a little. Got the right drill bits and the right tool for putting this on. Go like this, it allows you to get some fulcrum out to twist it in. So we want this to clear. Looks like we can pretty much put it right back in that one spot. I'll figure it out as I'm going here. Don't worry. You take the threads, and then you have the shank inside there. And I'll do it so you can see it, but you hold it up to make sure that the drill bit you're using is just the size of the interior dimension, which is 11/16 today. It's not pretty, but it should keep a hawk from dive bombing in there.
Yeah. Well, they'll like it.
They'll be loose in this space anyways, so
Yeah.
this is just a little bit more protection if we're away. is what it is. I'll try free ranging them in here, see how it works. Are you guys okay? You're looking nervous. Not big talkers. So I just got done stringing the wire in like an X pattern. That should give the netting enough suspension to keep it from sagging in the middle. Got the blueberries all netted up. Needs a few more little clips. I like to use these little, I don't know what they are, hair clips, but a couple more just here and there, and it'll be all set. But it's already started to drizzle on me, and we'll see you in the morning. Oh, I did forget. Tonight we have to move the chickens, so there'll be a little late night expedition to go get the chickens off their roofs and move them into the new house. So we'll see you then. There's a little piece on the floor right there. What are you building us?
Trying to build a reef out of grasses that just came from the fields that the sheep have not eaten yet.
It's pretty cool.
Thanks.
Hand me a bird.
Oh, for the love of God. I got one.
So hard to see
You're home.
from the moment
Okay.
Amelia, you are one who
She wants a friend.
you put smiles on everyone. Think of you and of all that you ever done.
Don't freak out. Freak out.
Place your phone,
That's a hefty one.
Is she behaving herself?
Actually, quite well. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right.
What are you doing?
Watering chickens.
What are you doing?
beating hearts were still alive.
What's he doing?
Get the camera right in the crack.
Is he fighting with them? What is he doing?
Here. Roosted out of order.
I'm just gonna put this on the ground. Do that tomorrow.
Covered in chicken.
These are not the right shoes for that. It won't turn off.
Wow, this is one heck of a night.